In this video, I am going to show you how to make the perfect steak using an air fryer. I am using the Ninja Foodie Smart Tech Cell, but they should all function more or less the same way. Okay, let's get air frying the steak. First, after you have marinated the steak to your liking, as for me in this video, I'm just adding it with some regular salt and rubbing it on both sides. Then we are going to place the steak into the air fryer with the air fryer still cold and off. Now let's close the lid, set the function to bake, and then set the temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer to 8 minutes. The air fryer will now preheat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This part is very important to make sure the steak is in the air fryer as it preheats, or else the outside of the meat will cook too quickly. Once your air fryer has reached 250 degrees Fahrenheit, it will ask you to add the food. In my case, I would just lift the lid up and close it, and the 8-minute timer will start. After the 8-minute timer is up, simply take the steak out of the air fryer and set it aside. Now we are going to close the lid and set the function to the air fryer function and turn the temperature up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and set it to 2 minutes and press start. Once your air fryer has reached 425 degrees Fahrenheit, it will ask you again to add the food. Be careful when opening the lid as it can be hot. Place your steak inside the air fryer and close the lid. The 2-minute timer will start. After 1 minute, open the lid and flip your steak. Once the 2-minute timer is up, open the lid and remove the steak. Let your steak rest for a few minutes and you will be ready to eat the best steak you could make using an air fryer. Enjoy and thanks for watching.